Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today we're cooking smoked duck legs. So I've got these lovely Gressingham duck legs here. They are seasoned already with sea salt and 4-pepper seasoning. The instructions say to roast them in the oven, but I'm going to cook them roasting temperatures on the barbecue with a lick of cherry smoke, which I think will take them even better. It just goes so well with a bit of smoke and a bit of fire. It gets everything nice and crispy and even tastier than cooking it in the oven. Very little prep to do with these. Take them out of the pack. As you can see, they're all pre-seasoned there, so those look ready to go. What I am going to do is give them a little bit of extra salt just on that top there. That's just going to help that skin to crackle up and to fluff up. I'm going to check the temperatures of these using the meter plus here. So I'm going to pop the meter under the skin. There we go, like that. And try and get it right into the middle so the line is fully in. There we go. And you set this up on your phone, on the meter app, set up, cook, poultry, duck. I'm going to go for breast. Well done, start cook. So I've got my PK grill here. This is the TX, and I've got some charcoal left over from my last cook. Just going to get that lit up, open the vents on the bottom. Okay, chunk of cherry wood there, nice big chunk. Got lots of smoke off this one. Lid on. You're looking for probably about 180 to 200 degrees C to get that skin nice and crispy. Let's see how we get on with this. So let's see how these are looking. They smell amazing. They've hit 74 degrees C, so we know they're ready. The meter's done its job now. They look beautiful. The skin looks nice and crisp. Job done. Okay, the meter can come out, done its job. I'm going to pair them up with a nice peppery nasturtium leaf and flower salad. It'll go well with this. Love those colours there. That is looking and smelling amazing. But I want to know how they taste. Have a little bit of this one here. Lovely pink colour there from the cherry smoke. Can you see that? My mouth's watering. Oh God, that's beautiful. Duck goes so well with cherry smoke, just perfect. And those are lovely smoke on those. Took about 40 minutes or so. The meter did a great job, helped me to make sure I nailed the temperatures, and so juicy and tender. Hope you've enjoyed this. How do you like duck cooked? Tell me in the box below, and let me know if you like what I'm doing here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ. Subscribe to my channel, it's really appreciated. Cheers.